Hello. Today we're going to be replacing the Audi Q7 2007 ignition switch, and I have already started tearing this car apart. So right now I will just go ahead and point out where all the screws are and what you need to do to have them replaced, to be able to pull them out. Sorry, this is my first YouTube video showing you how to tear this down and how to have it reinstalled back. Okay, and first of all, you would need to take out these screws. Like there are two, I don't know what this is called. I think it's called a T20. You need to use this to take out the two screws located at the bottom here, and then after taking it out, then you pop this one out. This one is somewhere here. You pop this one out after you take out those two, and then you go ahead here and pull this down. Take out, there's a screw here. I don't know if you can see it. Here. Okay, over here. You take out this one here. You take this out, sorry. Just so much going on here. Let me see. There's something that goes on here. You have to take this, pull this up. Then you find these screws over here. One on each side. One here and one on this other side. And then once you take that out, you use something like this, like a pin, and you find a way to take out the vents. You put this over here. Remember, I'm not a professional. This is just something I do at home. I just like rebuilding cars for myself. And you use this pin, needle nose, I don't know what it's called, but you use this on each side to find where the vent locks are. You pull one on each side, or you could buy one from Amazon, specially designed for this tool. You pull one on this side and one on this side together simultaneously, and you pull the vents out. So right now I already upgraded my system to the latest Android radio, with the ignition, and I already customize this car a lot. So right now the MMI isn't working, and that's the reason why I'm actually having to replace this ignition switch. This is because finding if this is the issue you're having, you have to first of all check if your doors can actually open up with the key fob. You try that, and if it doesn't work, and you also see the ignition lock fault code on your dashboard, then definitely that's the issue you're having. That's the reason why this radio isn't coming up. So right now I have a used one here I bought from eBay for about $60, and this is really a quick fix. Is probably gonna take you about 20 minutes or 30 minutes to just have all this pulled out. And I already upgraded all this, so okay, I might have to make this in different parts. So let's go ahead and end this for now, and I'll make a second part for this installation.